Hello my creative and artistic friends, Olga Soby here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Today I want to do a galaxy acrylic pour painting, a new one to add to my collection, and for today's piece I want it to be with a lot of stars. I want to add a lot of stars to it, so I have already mixed in some silvery starry pigment to my black paint, which is going to be a base. And once the painting is dry, I'm planning to cover it with a layer of epoxy resin, and I want to add more stars to the layer of epoxy, and I want to add some multicolor stars. So if you want to see the final result, make sure to watch all the way till the end. I will include the outcome to the final part of the video. And for the technique, today I'm gonna do the open cup. This is my favorite technique for galaxy and space inspired art. Today I'm working on 11 by 14 cradled wood panel. I have primed it with gesso, so it's ready to go. And all of my colors today I mixed with Floetrol and water. I will include all the supplies, colors, pigments, epoxy resin, everything that I'm gonna be using in the video description, so check it out. And now let's get started with today's galaxy pour. So first I'm gonna add the base layer on my panel. After adding pigment to my black paint, it became a bit thicker than what I normally like for my open cup, but I think it still should work just fine for the cell formation process. I'm adding just a little bit more black in the center, and now I'm gonna layer colors in my open cup. There is no silicone oil in any of the colors that I'm using. Okay, the colors are in, so now I'm gonna lift it up and release some of the colors. Nice, looking so beautiful! I let it sit for like a minute, and you see that the paint keeps stretching and more cells are showing up. I think I'm gonna go for a second round. I'm adding a bit more black around. I think that will help with more cells in my open cup. I love it. I love that more red showed up here. So today I want to tilt my panel instead of spinning it because I want to create, less symmetrical composition. I really love how this cell stretched out, and the overall composition is very dynamic. It's very different from what I normally do, and I like it. You know what? I think I'm gonna add some more stars just with paint because I want to have a few here and there that are going to be bigger. So I'm just dipping the half of the toothpick. I just broke it in half and I'm dipping the thicker part in the paint, and then I'm adding the a drop on my panel. I added more stars and now I'm removing some. Just felt like too much, so just taking some off here and there. One more quick touch in the center. I like to add a little swirl. And stay tuned for the final result. Alright guys, here it is, dry and finished with layer of epoxy resin. So I added a few starry pigments to the resin layer as well. Just trying to show it here, to show you the glow against the light. It's super bright and beautiful. I also like the metallic blue in here. Definitely adds more interest. So I find that having multiple different sizes of stars, as well as having some of that pigment in the base layer, really adds a lot of depth and dimension to the overall look of the painting. What do you think? And by the way, this beauty is available for purchase on my website. I will include the link in the description. And I really hope you like the outcome. Please give this video a like if you did. That really helps my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!